Welcome everybody. Thank you for joining me in this 2-minute post-workout stretch. It's gonna focus on the full body here, okay? So nice and easy. If you just did a workout, I want you to inhale through the nose, exhale through the mouth, bring it all the way down on the hands and knees. Back is nice and flat. We're gonna start off into a cow pose here, okay? So you're gonna arch that back down, look up to the ceiling, keep it breathing here, all right? Get nice and stable here, okay? Hands are below the shoulders, feet are down. All right, we're gonna arch that back up, cat pose, chin down to the chest. Nice and easy, keep it breathing. All right, gonna relax, lay it all the way down onto the ground here. Okay, we're gonna go into an upward dog, hands right below the shoulders, hips down, chin up to the ceiling. Nice, good stretch for those abs. All right, we're gonna stretch out some obliques here. We're gonna drop one shoulder, twisting that body, looking over to the left side. I'm dropping my right shoulder down. All right, other side, switch it over. Dropping that left shoulder, looking over to your right side. Again, my hips are still towards the ground here, okay? All right, go ahead and bring it all the way down to the ground, onto the stomach, pull in that right foot, right quad stretch here. All right, make sure to pull that foot in nice and tight, okay? Depending on your flexibility, you might be able to pull it all the way in, maybe just a little bit, but that's all right. Just do what you can. Switch feet, other foot over. Pull that foot in nice and tight. Keep it breathing. Again, stretching out the left side now. All right, we're gonna sit it on back into a child's pose. All right, reaching those hands all the way to the ground. Chest and forehead towards the ground. Taking right arm, reaching it under here. Bring it back down towards the ground, stretching out that shoulder. Switch sides, other arm over, palm facing up, reach it on across, bring it down towards the ground. All right, go ahead and bring it on up. Nice and easy. Again, this was a 2-minute post-workout stretch that you could do after any time. All right, stay fit, stay flexed, and I'll see you guys next time.